Hello everyone, very good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus, deleted content as well as the weightage of the marks and model question paper in the subject of the physics for the bridge course MPC as well as BPC students. Okay. So let me see the one by one. So this is all I have told no. So like a bridge course students, you may have the 25 marks each paper. You may have like a mathematics. I don't know about that, but botany, zoology. These two papers comes under biological sciences. Like each paper, like a part one, part two. Part one, 25 marks. Part two is a 25 marks. So the paper biological sciences paper consisting of the 55 marks. Okay, each paper you have to like the maximum marks for the each paper 25 marks. In the same way, physics also you may have the 25 marks, chemistry also you may have the 25 marks. The question paper will be prepared for the 40 marks, but you should attempt the 25 marks. The passage and the pass marks for the physics 10 marks and chemistry also 10 marks. So no need of worry about that. Definitely you will pass. So whatever I am providing content or information are related like a curriculum and all, please go through the videos and please go through the materials. So definitely you will pass. You first of all you have to hard work, you have to get the knowledge, you have to get the awareness, and you have to get the like a concept regarding what is what are the topics will be deleted, what are the topics we are going to read, what are the important questions and everything. If you point out now, so definitely you will go through that, definitely you will pass, and definitely you will get the idea and you will get also nice marks also. Okay, no need of worry. Okay, this one is the first of physics. Okay, physics for the this is the subject. So yesterday like a biological sciences only by P students, mathematics for the MP student, but so this is a physics, this physical sciences part 1 physics, part 2 chemistry. So this subject will be I am going to deal this videos. This video is applicable for the MPC bridge course stream students and BPC bridge course students also. Okay, so this is the overall syllabus of the bridge course by physics students. Like a physical word, the like a weightage, 1 mark weightage, like a 1 mark questions. So you may have the 1 mark questions as well as the like 4 marks questions will be there. Already you know very well about the biological sciences paper. Already you have written no biological sciences, but mathematics paper is a little bit different. Okay, but so this is like it may be useful for the like a MPC stream students. Okay, so here the you may have the section A, section B. Section A carries 1 mark. Like they may give the 8 marks questions will be there. Like a 1 mark, each question carries 1 mark. You have to attempt 5. So 5 into 1, 5 marks. Section B, same thing. They may give the 8 questions, but you have to attempt any 5. Each question carries 4 marks. So 5 into 4, 20. So section A 5 marks, section B 20. So overall you have to attempt 25 marks. The pass marks for the each paper like a 10 marks. Okay, so this is a model question paper like a information instructions. Okay, so let me see the like a physical word, like you may get the 1 mark, unit 2 also 1 mark, unit 3 also 1 mark, weightage will be this is a weightage if you'll study. So how many marks you may get it, like this is a weightage of this one. Okay, so this is a no need of thing, this is applicable for the teachers. Okay, third one is the like a 1 mark, like a fourth one is the 4 marks weightage. So little bit you have to focusing on the 4th unit. 5th unit also 4 marks weightage will be there. 6th unit like a 4 marks weightage will be there, and 7th unit 4 marks weightage, oscillations 4 marks. 9th unit 4 marks weightage will be there. So 11th 1 mark weightage will be there. Okay, 12th units like a, so this is like a 2 marks questions, like a 1 mark questions will be there. 12th unit 5 marks weightage will be there. 13th unit like a 4 marks weightage will be there. Okay, sorry, thermodynamics 4 marks weightage, kinetic theory 1 marks weightage will be there. So this is the actual before deleting the content from the physics for the bridge course MPC and BPC stream students. First of all, this is a general syllabus of the physics paper. It's clear. So we will moving on to the deleted content. If you know the deleted content, easily you can avoid and you can go for the important questions. So this is one of the trick to get the good marks. Okay, so this is the deleted content subject subject physics 1 for the MPC and BPC stream bridge course students. Okay, in unit 1 these are the topics are deleted okay, in 1 unit 1.2 1.3 1.0 these are 3 topics are deleted. Okay, in physics how many chapters are deleted? 3 topics are deleted, not chapters or topics. Next, unit 3 is no deletions, compulsory. Anyhow, you make it the 1 mark weightage will be there, no? Okay, no deletions. Okay, in unit 3 no deletions, everything you have to. Okay, first unit, second unit, third unit also you may get the 1 mark weightage will be there. Okay, and next fourth unit little bit you may have the, you may get the chance in this unit like a 4 marks weightage will be there, like a okay, long question like a say like a 4 marks question. Next is fifth unit. So these are the topics are deleted. Okay, these are the 1 5.2 5.3 5.4 5.5 5.7. How many topics are deleted in this fifth unit? Like a 5 topics are deleted. It's clear. So next coming to the sixth unit, no deletions. Even like complete unit you have to read. Next seventh unit, only one topic is deleted. That is a 7.10. Next eighth unit, no deletions. Total unit you have to read. Next chapter 9, 3 topics. Okay, like a 9.2 9.4 9.5. This is the topics. If you have the test books, if you have the like a physics English medium test books, please go through that also. No need to buy the bridge course students, bridge course subjects. If you have the friends in like English medium students, please go get the test books and you have to focus. Okay, no need of worry, madam, I didn't bought, how I can write the exam. So many students are commenting on this way. So I'm advising the students, if you have the friends in like a physics English medium students, please get the test book and I will give the important questions. So you just mark it and you can go through that. Okay, it's the next 10th unit. In 10th unit there are the 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 topics are deleted. Next like a 9th unit, in this nothing is deleted, everything you have to read. 9th unit. Okay, in the 9th unit, like how many chapters are they deleted in 9th unit? 3 topics are deleted ma. Okay, next 10th unit, like 3 topics also deleted. It's clear. Okay, so next coming to the 8th, okay, 8th one, 8th no deletions. Okay, 8 topics nothing is deleted, everything you have to read. Next okay, this one how many units are there ma? Okay, wait. Okay ma, so what I told now here till now, like this is chapter 1, chapter, okay, up to 14th unit. Okay, sorry. Okay, in 5th 6th unit no deletions, everything you have to read. 7th unit only one topic is deleted. Okay, and next 8th unit no deletions, everything you have to read. Next 9th unit there are 3 topics are deleted. Okay, next 10th unit. Okay, in 10th unit 5 topics are deleted. Next 11th unit only one, no, nothing deleted, everything you have to read. 12th unit, in 12th unit 4 topics are deleted. 12th unit 4 topics are deleted. And 13th unit 3 topics are deleted. Okay, 14th unit no deletions, everything you have to read. Okay, it's clear now. Once again I'm repeating the same situation. Sorry, I'm repeating the deleted content in unit wise. So second one, second unit. Okay, sorry. In second unit, SEMA, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, next sixth unit, eighth unit, next 11th unit, next 14th unit. So whatever I'm repeating no, second, third, fourth, sixth, eighth, 11th, 14th. So in these 2 4 6 8 overall we have the 14 units. In that 2 4 6 7. Okay, in physics we may have the 14 units. In the 14 units also 7 topics are deleted, 7 units are completely deleted ma. Okay, it's clear na. Okay, we have the 14 units. In 14 units we, okay, the deleted overall units are deleted. Sorry, not deleted completely, there is no deletions. Okay, completely you have to read the second unit, third unit, fourth unit, sixth, eighth, 11th, 14th. These 7 topics completely you have to read. No deletions in 7 units. There is a 2 3 4 6 8 11 10. Okay, it's clear. Okay, next coming to the in first unit 3 topics deleted. Fifth unit, okay, fifth unit 5 topics deleted. Seventh unit 1 topic deleted. Ninth unit 3 topics deleted. 10th unit 5 topics. 12th unit 4 topics deleted. And 13th unit 3 topics are deleted. It's clear na. So let's we are moving on to the like a, okay, important questions. We will finish the physics, and after that we will go for the chemistry also. Okay, I completed I have given the little bit general syllabus of the physics and deleted content in the physics. It's clear. Now I am going to the important questions. What are the important questions will be there in unit wise in physics? So these are the important question bank, like important questions unit wise. Okay, 14 units will be there. In that you have to read according to unit wise. I am giving the important questions. Okay, so this question bank is prepared for the 100% syllabus. Please go through the, so already I have mentioned some of the topics, like so please go through the topic, and when you are reading, if the question will come, please avoid, and you have to focus on remaining topics. Okay, in unit 1 the 3 topics are very very important. Okay, and unit 2. Okay, in unit 4, next, sorry, unit 1, these are 1 mark questions. Unit 2, these are the 1 mark questions, important questions. Next, unit 3, important questions. Next, unit 4. So you may have the 1 mark questions as well as the 4 mark questions will be there. Okay, only first unit, second and third unit only 1 mark questions will be there, but in fourth unit you may have the 4 mark questions. Please go through the motion in a plane. This is a very very important. Okay, next, fifth unit, very short answers question, like a 1 mark questions. Okay, next, 4 mark questions. In fifth unit, these are the 4 mark questions. Next, sixth unit, 1 mark as well as the 4 mark questions. Next, seventh unit, 1 mark questions. Next, 4 mark questions. Unit 7, 4 mark questions. Next, unit 8. These are the, in unit 8 only 4 marks weightage, like a 4 marks questions will be there. Okay, these are the 4 marks questions, like a short answers questions. Next, unit 9, 2 marks questions, sorry, 1 mark questions. So these are the 4 marks questions. In unit 9, 1 mark question will be there, and 4 marks questions also will be there. Okay, next, unit 10, 1 mark questions as well as 4, only 4 marks, only 1 question is there. Next, unit 11, 1 mark questions. So these are all 1 mark questions only. Next, unit 12, these are the 1 mark questions. And 4 marks questions. So how many are there? 4 marks, 106, 107, 108, 110. Okay, like a 5 topics are there, 5 important questions. Next, 13th chapter, 2 marks, 1 mark questions as well as 4 marks questions. So next, unit 14. Okay, 4, like a 1 mark questions. It's clear na? So I have given the syllabus in the deleted content as well as important questions. So now next I am going to go for the model question paper. Okay, how the question paper will come, I will show you. So this is a model question paper for you people. Okay, like this is a each paper, like overall physical sciences 50 marks, 1.5 hour part 1 physics, 1.5 hour part 2 chemistry. Okay, each paper consisting carrying the 25 marks. So here, section A, answer any 5 of the following questions. Okay, 8 questions will be there, but you have to attempt to any 5. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay, these are the questions. Already I have given no unit wise important questions. Okay, first you have to go through the important questions, and again I will give the one of the, like a 2 or 3 model question papers. If the questions, what are the repeated questions are there, no, little bit you have to focus on, you have to thorough with those questions. Definitely the questions will come. Okay, these are the important so this is section, this is a model question paper, like important questions in section A. Next, coming to section B. In section B, 4 marks questions, like each question carries 8 questions will be there, but you have to attempt any 5 questions. Each question carries 4. So 5 into 4, 20. So 5 into 1, section A, 5. So 5 plus 20, 25. It's clear na? So this is a model question paper for you people, and one more I will give another model paper also. Sorry ma, I don't have the, like a English version question paper. This is a question paper for the Telugu medium version. Please go through that. Okay. So this is also third model paper. This is also in Telugu only. So sorry for that. Please try to understand. Try to see the anyhow your mother tongue Telugu only. So try to adjust and try to translate in English, and you have to go through this paper. Okay. Section A. Section A, important questions. Section B, important questions. It's clear now? Okay, so till now I discussed the syllabus and deleted content and unit wise important questions, model question papers for the who are going to write the bridge course examinations in the subject of the like a physical sciences paper. Like it may be applicable for the bridge course MPC stream as well as the BPC stream students. Okay, so no need of worry, ma. So whatever I am providing, please go to the deleted content. What you have to go through the like important questions, and you have to go through the model question papers. Okay, so what are the questions are repeatedly came, so you have to focusing on it. Okay, in that question, so definitely you will pass. Say you have to hard work. If you hard work, definitely God will bless you. God will help you also when you are writing the examinations also. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel, and one more, and I'm wishing you all the best to all my dears. Definitely you will pass, no need to worry. Okay, thank you all once again.